This 2015 Winnebago Vista 35B is a Class A RV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse. This 2015 Winnebago Vista 35B is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.